Hello guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and in Facebook to stay in touch with me.
No, actually, my gear is broken because when we are parking.
ఎలాగైతేనే నా గేరు ఇరిగిపోయినా సరే ఎలాగోలాగా ఎంత రాత్రి అయినా సరే ఈ అడవుల్లోంచి మేము ఎలాగోలాగా బయట పెట్టి నా బండి అయితే బయటికి తీసుకొచ్చాం. వచ్చిన తర్వాత నేను ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇంఫాల్ సిటీ తీసుకెళ్ళడం అన్నది ఇంపాసిబుల్. సో అయితే సేనాపతి మా ఫ్రెండ్కి తెలిసిన వాళ్ళ ఆఫీస్లో నా బండి ఈ రోజు రాత్రికి అక్కడ పెట్టేసి మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడైనా కుదిరినప్పుడు నేను మళ్ళీ ఈ ప్లేస్కి వచ్చి అక్కడ నా బండి రిపేర్ చేసుకుని తీసుకుని వెళ్దామని చెప్పేసి అని డిసైడ్ అయ్యా.
Just now I purchased a battery and now I'm going to the KTM showroom. I don't know it will be open or not, but let's go. Somehow I came outside, right? So now once I will go there. If it's closed then I can't do anything. From here to I should travel to Matrupki. Now let's go. This KTM, Infal KTM. Finally now I got brake levers, so now I need to travel for Senapati. I need to travel to Senapati and then I need to fix those all. So today I purchased a new battery and gear levers, so I can fix this both. And now I'm going back to my room. So maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will travel to Senapati. Whatever I need, I got those. Today we are traveling to Senapati to take my bike because few days back my bike broke down right in Senapati. So now we are traveling there on car with my friends. I'm carrying my spare parts to fix my bike and later I'll take my bike from Senapati to Imphal, and after a few days on October 1st I'll start my journey from Imphal to Nagaland.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful.
So finally we are reached to here to pick my bike, and now we should repair. No, I should see my bike. How is it? Inside my bike is there. There you can see. Now we should go inside and we should fix new battery. Now we are going to fix my bike. Let's start. Yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world's...
Oh God, please start.
Ready to race.
Finally, it started. I'm so happy.
Welcome.
We are going to taste rice beer. Wow, we have many. I repaired my bike and now I'm now we are starting from Senapati. Returning to Imphal city while driving my bike.
around you. From a distance you can tell. bird on a tree.
Finally we reached to Sigmai. From Sigmai to Imphal, not that much distance. It's just few hours journey. That's it. I mean, like not even few hours, just 30 minutes like this. Now we are going to our tourist spot. Nothing happened. Here there is a spot. There we can take a house for rent just for 100 or 200 or 300. Sometimes they will give for free. So here if you want to enjoy while taking some drinks or something while coming this tourist place. This is very good tourist place. I will prefer this one. This is my friend's tourist place only. So now we are going there. Tourist spot name is Sandy Shores or come picnic hut. So here we can have picnic spot. Here we can enjoy a lot. So here we can go. So now here we are going to have some fun. So finally now we are starting our journey from this place to Imphal city. Let's go. After drinking a lot, we are going to start our journey from Sigmai. So now we are traveling to Imphal city. Now we are starting our journey from Sigmai to Imphal city. So we should drive in this muddy road. Finally we reached to Imphal city, the Manipur state. Finally I reached to Imphal city. Finally I took my bike from Senapati. I need to do some servicing. I reached to my room and now I should go to my room and I should check in there. Later in just 10 more days I'm going to start my journey and this is my apartment. It's just per month 6,000 rupees.